Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about CSS colors, like how many different ways of colors are there in CSS and how many different ways we can perform CSS in like perform colors in CSS. Those things we will see in this class. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first of all, you have to create the file called colors.html. So here I will type HTML5, yeah, in title, and I will write different types of colors in CSS, right? So in H1 tag, I will write tomato. We'll be having tomato color, right? So likewise, I will create 8 more, right? We have created the H1 tags. How many? We have created 8. We have created 8. So for each tag, like I will implement the style attribute and I will give background color is background color is tomato, right? We have written the tomato. See, we got tomato color. And the second one is orange, orange, ORANG. And I will just copy like this, right? I'll just copy paste like this, right? Yeah, I'll copy from, yeah, now it will not give any error. You have to implement style also, right? Yeah. Now it will work. So I'm just copy pasting the style attribute and we will change the colors. So this is orange, right? So change it to orange. OR, so you can see, right? Orange. And the next one is blue. Next one is blue. Type here blue. And next one is we'll be having dodger blue, dodger, 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 blue color, and I will write that color also, dodger, dodger blue, right? And we are having green, green, and I'll write medium, 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 C, green. And here also I'll write medium, medium, C, green, right? And we are having violet, type violet, and here also type violet, right? See, we got light gray, we got light gray, we got light gray. So just type light gray here, just type light light gray, and we'll be having light gray color, and we are having slate blue. We'll be having slate blue. We'll be having slate blue, slate blue, and type here slate blue. So these are the different types of colors which are present in CSS, and just type Ctrl S, save it, and type F5 and click on Web App Chrome. So the colors will be appear like this. The colors will be appeared like this on the output in the Web Chrome. So in this way we can choose the colors. In this way we can choose the colors, right? So these are the background colors. These are the some background colors. These are some background colors. So in this way, we can type. So just type a lorem, then you will get the some sentence or some paragraph, right? Some paragraph you get some paragraph like this. So for this also we can include the background colors. Just type a style, and after that background color, and the background color is, for example, blue. So type as and go to the output and refresh it, and you can see, right? You can see, right? So we can give the a paragraph in the paragraph tag, and we can give the background color also. We can give the background color like this. So I hope you understand how to give the background color for the paragraph tag. And we are having the next one is, so for this we can give the color also. So just copy like this, and we have given the background color, right? Now I'll give the color. Just remove the background like this, right? And instead of blue, give red, or you can give tomato, right? Yes. Press Ctrl S and go to the Google Chrome and refresh it. See, we can see, right? The lorem ipsum, it is in red color. So it is a background color. It is a color to the text, color to the text. So in this way, we can give the colors and CSS, and we can give the borders also. We can give the borders also. We can give the borders also. How? Now you can see, right? We have 8 H1s, right? So I will just specify the border. So in this style, just type border, right? Just type border 2 pixels. I want the 2 pixels, and it should be solid. It should be solid, and the color should be tomato, right? The color should be tomato. So like this, you can give, right? For example, if I save it and if I go to the output, so just click on F5. Where is output? Okay. Just go to the run, start debugging. See, right? We can see the dotted line, right? We can see the dotted line with the border color tomato, So in this way, we can give the borders to the text, border to the text. So I have used solid, so that's why it is coming like this. So you can specify it. So you can specify each of the H1. If you write, you remove this and border 4 pixels, 4 pixels, and it is, or you can write dashed, you can give dashed, and I have given orange, and press Ctrl S and go to the output and refresh it. See, you can see the dashed, you can see the dashed. So in this way, we can give the colors to the borders also. We can give colors to the borders also. So I hope you understand the colors in CSS. So these are the different types of colors we can give. And the last one is, so in the last one, which is RGB colors. So I'll give some examples. Just type H1, type H1. And here I will write example RGB, example RGB. So in the style, like in the H1 tag, I will implement style attribute, implement the style attribute, and I will give background color as RGB. So in this, you have to specify the numbers, right? You have to specify the numbers. So I'll give 255, and I will give 99, and I will give 71. So first one is red, and the second one is green, and third one is blue. The combination of three will get the color. The combination of three will get the color. Just save it and go to the Google Chrome and refresh it, and you can see RGB. So this is the combination of red, green, and blue. Then you will get some color. Then you will get some color. So likewise, you will be having RGBA, RGBA, see RGBA, and save it and refresh it. See, we got RGBA. So these are the different types of different types of colors in CSS. Different types of colors in CSS. And we can implement the hash code also. I will give the example that also. And just give the hash code. Instead of RGB, you have to give some hash code like FF6347 something. So here you have to specify hash. You have to specify hash. This hash code, and save it and refresh it. So it is a hash code. So in this way also you can specify it. So based upon your color selections, it will be changed. See, the hash code is changing, right? This is a hexadecimal, sorry, it's a hash code. It is a hash code. So you'll be having a different. So based upon your interest, you can specify it. You can specify the blue, and you can specify the red, orange. So based upon your interest, you can change it. And we'll be having another thing that's HSL. So just you have to type HSL, and you have to give hue, saturation, and lightness. You have to give the percentage. You have to give the hue, saturation, and lightness. You have to give the percentage. For the hue, I will give 9. For the saturation, I will give, specifically, yeah. For the saturation, I will give 100%. I'll give 100%. And for the lightness, I will give 64%. 64%. Save it and go to the output and refresh it. Then you got the HSL also, right? Yeah. So these are the some colors in CSS. So I hope you understand all these things. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.